So here's a nice project, Alan Yang's Blackjack project, and then that was Sean's comment right there. So yeah, this is our last lesson, and we're gonna prepare you for I am gonna prepare you for the class this Friday, and it's going to be about like all the intricacies of Selenium. And Selenium is basically a web automation or a bot library. So you do repetitive tasks, and you create bots and other cool programs with Selenium. Okay, so installing Selenium, it's kind of a pain. So compared to the other libraries, so if you already have Selenium, then this is not going to mean much to you. And if you're using PyCharm, then you just do pip3 install Selenium. So basically, I don't have
Selenium PyCharm, isn't that hard to get. The problem is Chrome Driver. That's the huge pain. Chrome Driver is a huge pain. Selenium itself is not that bad. All I have to do is pip or sudo pip3 install Selenium. So Selenium's not that bad, but once you get into Chrome Driver, it's difficult.
So yeah, Chrome Driver is the hard part of installing Selenium, and it's a piece of software that is controlled by PyCharm and used by Selenium to actually run the program that you put in. And here there's installing it Chrome Driver on Mac and Windows. It's different. So for Mac, I think Sean was supposed to do this, so I'm not really gonna know that much. Oh. So if you're using Mac, then a package manager must be installed, and it makes the process much easier. And it's a piece of software that helps you install software by using a terminal. So in order to install it, you open up the terminal in the Mac, and then you enter in the following line. I don't really understand any of this.
We could always go through the old school method that Main Intermediate did. But I mean, there is a way you can do it more conveniently. I think Sean has, but I'm not sure if that works. I don't know. I'm not saying that it doesn't, but I don't know how that works. I guess
this works, but I don't know how Sean does it.
I don't know how that works either. I think I used Brew to actually initially install Chrome Driver, but I forgot how to do it. Yeah, just go into the Windows section first.
Yeah. So I did this thing. Is this what you meant, searching up Chrome Driver in Google?
Yes, that's the one that we did, right?
Yeah. So I guess this is the easier way. So you can just search up Chrome Driver, and then the first search, I think it should be the correct one.
Before I start anything, who here is running on a Mac? Because I know most of you guys are probably running on Windows, so if there's anyone on Mac, can you guys type in the chat? Okay, if you're running Windows, can you type in the chat?
It's probably everyone, but I can't see who's typing
Windows, Alan's Windows. What about Jesse? Okay, Wages Windows. Alright, what about you? Lynn. I was about to say, bro, you gotta try hard if you... Okay, Windows. Alright, cool. So everybody's Windows, so we can just ignore the Mac part. That's what I was suspecting anyways. Cool. Yeah,
I'm basically, I guess I can show how to do it. So you search up Chrome Driver, and then this is the first search. So Chrome Driver.
Send the link in the chat. Send the link in the chat so people can access it.
Oh. So you go here, and then you go to Downloads, and then you press whichever version of Chrome you use.
Yeah. So I want to do the Chrome version check.
Yeah, you can do. You press the three dots here, go to Help, and then About Google Chrome, and then the version is right here.
Dang, you have 85?
Yeah, it updated.
Let me see if mine updated.
I guess last time it was 84.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure mine's still 84.
I remember that.
And mine's still 84, dude. Oh, darn.
So yeah, and then last time it was 84, so I clicked that last time. But if I wanted to use it again, then I'll.
I think a lot of us probably have 84. So just how everybody do that. And then what I did with intermediate was add one of these guys, share their screens, and then basically we kind of use them as like a guinea pig to go through the process because we already installed it before, so we don't know what it looks like on their interface. So what I was thinking is, are any of you guys willing to share your screen and like show us your process of downloading everything? Because we can't really tell what you guys are doing. So okay, Jess. Okay, can you share your screen? Well, there's a screen share.
Oh wait, I have to stop sharing.
Yeah. Alright, I'm assuming that's Jess's screen. Okay, 84. Okay, cool. So go to the version selection again.
Wait, should I relaunch it? I need to relaunch the update.
What was that?
No.
Oh, he's relaunching his Chrome app, I think. Well, let's wait for him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think he wanted to update it or something.
Okay.
Let me see if I can do that too. If I can do that, I should probably update it later after the meet. Just wait for him. Just wait for him.
Alright.
It shouldn't be too long. Well, let me see if mine is up to date. Because if this is up to date, that's kind of concerning, right? Okay, sorry.
Alright, I should have seen that coming.
Alright, welcome back. It's fine. Just go ahead and share your screen again, please.
Yeah, it's 85 now.
Cool. Okay, so go to version selection.
Yeah, I know how to read.
Okay. Just go to the listen. Go to scroll up from version selection. Go to version selection, please. Just hang in there. Okay, scroll up a little. No, like scroll up on the window.
Scroll up.
Yeah, and then you see downloads right there. Click on downloads. Like
you don't click version selection. Yeah.
Yeah, and then click on the 85 thing right there.
Webdriver 85.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And then click on the Windows 32 too.
Win32.
Yeah. And then you can put it anywhere. Doesn't really matter.
Even on some cases, it's 32 and not 64-bit.
Yep. And hopefully everybody's following along at this point. Okay. So did you get to the thing? Okay, it was start successfully, so that's good. Okay, so alright. So from here you can do one or two things. Either you can drive the cron to everything into your directory where your PyCharm project that you're going to use cron driver is located at, or you can link the file path. And I think the file path is more convenient because you don't have to like re-download cron driver every time you start a new PyCharm project with Selenium. So I would put cron driver. Yeah, I mean desktop should be fine. So just go ahead and open up a PyCharm project again, or make a new one or whatever.
Or wherever you store your Python projects in the folder.
Yep. All right. Now open up PyCharm. Cool. That's okay. Looks like PyCharm to open. Okay, a new project. Call it like I don't know, Selenium, like start or something. Something generic. Sure, that works too. You might want to have it though because you might want to refer to it later, but it's fine. Just create it. Yeah, sure.
Okay, that's fine.
Go ahead and create it. And now wait for it to create your them. Close the tips. No one cares about those. This always takes forever, dude, honestly.
Yeah.
Let me load up my PyCharm so I know I'm doing the right thing. I'm doing Google Meet on an external monitor, so when I'm looking towards you guys, I'm actually looking at a different screen. I know it's confusing.
Either does anyone know how to set up a what's it called, a virtual environment with Node? Because like right now I've just been installing everything to users, and it's just like ooh, sus.
I mean, yeah, but I'm not too sure. I don't know. I don't know that much about virtual environments, but
I don't know. I'll switch it up later.
yeah, I haven't done Node.js yet, so. What is Node.js? So is that like a framework for JavaScript?
Node.js, it's I'm not super clear on what it is, but it's basically for the JavaScript stuffs.
Mm-hmm.
It's like how do I explain this? I know they like combined with npm and GitHub or something at some point, but I don't know.
Is it backend or?
I can open up the command prompt for it.
It's okay. You can explain later. Right now we're trying to do Selenium, right? I'm hungry. I want to go. So, all right. Open up PyCharm.
It doesn't have to do anything to do with Python.
Open up PyCharm, please. Okay, cool. Just delete everything in there. It doesn't really matter.
I have an example ready on the next slide.
Oh, I mean, I have something loaded up right now too. So first off, we need to install Selenium. So everybody's watching right now, please follow along. So go to terminal, and then do
pip3 install Selenium.
Yep, he knows.
And then you wait.
Takes quite a bit. So hopefully everybody's done with this point. And if everybody finds an error or finds an issue or runs into an issue, type in the chat so we can go over it. And he should be almost done. Okay, cool.
Yep. Okay, that's good.
Do you need to reinstall Selenium every time you use it? Yeah, I think so, but it's not that hard. I like to just type in pip3 install Selenium. It's not that hard. And then back in main.py, type in from Selenium, import Webdriver. Oh, Webdriver, yeah, one word, and then.
You said form.
Yeah, I think he knows. From. Yeah, that was right. Yeah, Webdriver, and then.
It says form instead of from, so yeah.
There you go, and then press enter. And then we're gonna make a driver variable. So do driver equals webdriver.chrome, and C is capitalized in Chrome. Yeah, and then parentheses. And here's where you provide your path to the Chrome driver thing. So go get your path for a Chrome driver. Is that your full path? Okay, don't you need users /just/ Chrome driver then? Right, and then make sure to put it in quotations to make it a string. Oh no, don't do the exe. It's just Chrome driver. I think, yeah. So I'm gonna explain what that does. So basically, what that does, it fetches your Chrome driver application from where the provided file path, and then you're gonna set that Chrome driver application to a driver variable, which is gonna be the thing that drives the whole automation. So it doesn't have to be driver. It can be anything. It can be D, or it can be X. It can be anything. I like calling it driver because it makes sense. And then press enter. And then do driver dot get, and then in parentheses, and then
you can put a URL.
Yeah, in quotes, and then put HTTPS, :// or something.
Something simple.
Yeah, and then put it in quotes so you get a string. Or sure, you can do that too. Put it in strings. it's specific quotations. So yeah, and then run that. And this should okay. What? Firewall. Yeah, just allow access.
Is the path wrong?
Yeah, I think the given path is wrong or something. Oh wait, try putting in a slash before users. Maybe that's it. There you go.
Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
And that's how you open up a page by using Chrome Driver and Selenium. So let me explain what he did here. So basically, exit out of that, please. And then first you import Webdriver from Selenium. And before we did pip3 install Selenium, that was because we need to actually import a lot. It's not a built-in into Python, so we actually have to get it by using the Python package installer. So we get Selenium using that, and the from import thing is saying from that huge library we're just gonna get like Webdriver because we don't want to import everything. That's a lot of data. And then I explained that line 2, you set a driver equal to whatever the application is. And the .get method basically just opens up a new window with the provided URL. So pretty simple. So can you guys type yes in the chat if this all worked for you guys? And just we know that it works for you, so you don't have to. Okay. Just says yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right. What about Weiji and Alan? All right. Weiji, did you get it to work? Okay. Well, wait. And if you run into a problem, then you can always ask us.
You can share your screen.
Yeah, and while he does that, Andy, why don't you continue with the presentation and just you can stop sharing.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing, Jess. Appreciate it.
All right, I'm gonna share my screen now. If everyone says okay.
Yep. We're waiting for Weiji to be done, but
okay.
I think
so,
we did most of
yeah,
it.
This was basically the same example. Just didn't put a path in here.
Yep. Yeah, sometimes if you actually drag the Chrome Driver application into wherever your PyCharm project is, then you don't have to specify a path because it knows it's there. But if it's not in the same directory, then you need to specify the path so that it knows where to fetch the Chrome Driver from. Because computers are complicated. And Weiji, are you done yet, or do you need help? Okay. And is there more slides, or?
Not really. That's just
that's
two more, I think. Basically. So
should be it.
Yeah, basically, Dayoung's going to teach another lesson on Friday, and you'll be with the intermediate students.
Yeah, because we're ahead of you guys. Yeah,
a reminder that we have a game night on September 5th, and we'll be playing the game Among Us.
Yeah, and guys, you guys can all go to Discord right now and at Sean and be like, you're a bad board member because he actually scheduled the game night a little late, so we can all roast Sean for it. So go ahead and mob Sean. Because he was supposed to make one before September, but he forgot about it. So, and by the way, a quick thing I want to suggest here: when you're often using Selenium, you often want to use time along with it. I've seen some of your projects, and I've seen that all of you guys use time before. So I suggest use time a lot because sometimes it takes a while to load the websites, and when you're trying to get CSS, I'm sure at least Jess should be familiar. If you're trying to get grab HTML elements or CSS selectors, it takes a while, or it takes a while for the page to load, right? So you want to wait for that, and that's why sometimes you want to sleep because it's not going to be able to get it if it's not there and it didn't load yet. So yeah.
I think we'll get into the CSS selector and the XPath stuff.
Right, that'll be the next lesson, right? So yeah, guys, please come in on Friday. I know it's 2 lessons a week. I know it's a lot because you guys need to do. Okay. Oh, cool, Weiji. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. So everybody's good. That's nice. So
I think
again,
it's basically done.
yeah, we're basically done. But I'm just gonna tell you guys right now, like, please come to intermediate. Like right now, it was pretty boring. I know, I understand. And you can look at Selenium documentation if you guys want to. But next week it's gonna be. I mean, not next week. This Friday's gonna be great. We're gonna do really fun stuff. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to write a Discord spam bot because that's fun and why not, right? So I think what I'm gonna probably
Makes
do.
things more exciting.
I think what I'm probably gonna do is just basically teach you guys the basics and then do like a mini project of making a Discord spam bot. So yeah, look out for that, and then it's not Discord API. I hand wrote it. Yeah, I didn't really go to check anything out except Stack Overflow. Yeah, but it helps to learn. So, and I think Selenium usually I think is used for testing purposes instead of actually making stuff. But I think Selenium is pretty cool. So that's why we're doing Selenium instead of like any other library like Matplotlib or something. And also, thank you guys for coming to these lessons. We know it's only like 4 people, but it's okay because intermediate we have like 7 or 6 people coming in every day. So it's okay. You guys are probably gonna be one of our valuable assets when we start the school year, and we're probably gonna have a general meeting, a big general meet in the beginning of the school year, or sometime near that. We're gonna actually have a board meeting at 8, I think. So look out for that general meet. Stay I guess stay on your feet for that. Look out for emails. But yeah, thanks for coming on, and see you guys Friday.